Ooh, I like the seats. Oh, I love the shifter. That's dope. Oh, the screens, the gauges.
You know what's funny about them? You can't see them. The steering wheel blocks this gauge and whatever would be here.
Door handle is sick. Is this the same color as your Miata? Miata look like this?
Than this.
Brand new 992 Porsche Carrera. The headlights are so cool. Ooh, I really like that. I even like how they do the Porsche letters. They kind of like bulge out. So this 992 is in today because we're going to be doing a Clearbra on the full front end. We have the front emblem taken off. We also have the license plate taken off. Dealership drilled holes into the bumper. His hand. Don't look at me. Look at his hands. Dude, that's a great idea, Dustin. If you want land, find a girl on Farmers Only.
It's like Dustin's girlfriend watches the vlogs. Dustin's gonna get home and his girlfriend is gonna... You have something to say?
Dude, if you meet a girl on Farmers Only, Dustin, who has a lot of land, it may be one of those situations where you have to like prove yourself to the father. He doesn't like you at first, but then he makes you do like a lot of manual labor.
He's like, what do you drive? A T-Hill.
He doesn't like you at first, but you try your hardest to like get his approval, and eventually he ends up in a situation where he's about to die, and then you really show your shining colors, and he's like, you know what? I hope my daughter marries you one day. And then he gives you like the paper or the key to the land, whatever they call it there, the title. Not only do you get the land, you get like 17 cows, 4 goats, and 2 sheep, you know? If that happens to you, don't forget about us. Just got done with this new Carrera 992. So we Clearbra the entire full front end, the hood, the bumper, the fenders, the mirrors. Love how Clearbra looks on silver or gray color cars. It just looks really glossy, looks virtually invisible, more so than even other colors. EVS custom hood, wrapped edges all the way around. It looks amazing. The metallic flakes from the GT silver paint just really pops through, doesn't hinder it at all whatsoever, and that's what you're really looking for in a Clearbra. And the best part is, since our film is hydrophobic, this will make it a lot easier to clean whenever he needs to.